Hi, I'm Sandharuban, Senior Assistant Librarian, Faculty of Healthcare Sciences, Eastern University. In this video, I'm going to explain you about Mendeley Reference Manager. Why do we need the reference manager? As a researcher, it is difficult to remember every rules and punctuations of different reference styles. Sometimes it is unnecessary for a researcher. Also, a researcher cannot stick one known style for his entire publications because different journals and different institutions adapt different styles for their publications. So they need to be familiar in different styles, which is impossible. Also, there are more chances for missing citation while compiling the reference list at the end of the thesis or dissertation or the research paper. And also, switching to different style is difficult. In order to overcome these issues, the only solution is to use the reference managers. What is reference manager? Reference managers are the software used to collect, organize, cite the material in your work. These are some advantages of reference managers. You can organize your reference and literatures. You can insert your citation while you are typing in a Word document or any other flatbox. You can create reference list. You can simply switch between different styles. You can also share your reference list with your colleagues. You can store your files in a cloud storage. There are several reference managers. Here I have listed few popular reference managers: EndNote, RefWorks, Zotero, Mendeley. Some are commercial, some are free softwares. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you about the Mendeley Reference Manager. Mendeley Reference Manager has two versions. One is Mendeley desktop version and the Mendeley web versions. Now we will see a demo on the Mendeley Reference Manager. Visit www.mendeley.com and click Create Account. Give your email as a username and continue. Give the details requested, including password, to create an account. You need to remember the username and password to log in into Mendeley Desktop. Again, visit back to Mendeley homepage and click the Download Mendeley software. You can download the Mendeley Desktop software for different operating systems, for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Download the Windows. Once downloaded, click and install the software. Once you install the software, you will see the Mendeley icon in the desktop. Open the software. Give your email and password for Mendeley account and click Stay Sign In. Note that you need the internet connection to log in the Mendeley desktop. This is the Mendeley window. First, we will create a folder and then we will add the files. Go to this pan, click this create folder, type the folder name and press enter. A folder is created. Now go to file and click add file. Select the location of the file. Select a PDF file and click open. Once you add the file, the Mendeley will extract the reference detail from the PDF file. You can also add multiple files together. Go to file, click add files,
and select one file and press Ctrl key, and you can select more files together and click open. You can also add the folder. Again, go to file, click add folder and navigate the folder location. And click OK. It will add all the files within the folder. You can also set a watch folder so that any PDF files added to this folder will be imported to Mendeley automatically. Go to file, select watch folder and navigate to the folder that you need to set as watch folder. And check this and click OK. Now all the PDF files added to this folder will be imported to Mendeley. Sometimes you found some sources in print medium. You can add their details manually. Go to file, select add entry manually, and then select the type of information source first. Here I will select book, type the title of the book, and type the author name. The last name of the author should be the first, followed by initial. Press enter and type the second author name. Enter the year. You don't need to add all the details. Add the necessary information only. Click save. Now scroll down this list. You can see the manually added reference here. Here you can see the reference which consists of PDF files has the PDF icon, while manually added reference do not have the PDF icon. Now we will see how to import the reference files from databases or journals. First, we will check what are the file formats that Mendeley accepts. Go to File and select Import. Here you can see the file format which Mendeley accepts. Nowadays, all the reputed databases or journals provide citation file. For an example, I will show you how to download the reference file from PubMed and from Oxford journals. First, open the Oxford journal and search for a keyword and select a journal article. Click the site and select the RIS format and click download citation. Now citation file is downloaded. Now I will show you another example in PubMed. Go to PubMed and search for a keyword. Select few articles that you need to upload. Select send to and select the citation manager. Click create file. Now go to Mendeley, go to file, click import and select the file type, RIS file, and select the download locations. Select the citation file and click open. Now you can see the imported file. In the same way, you can import the files downloaded from PubMed. Go to file, click import, select BAB file and select the all files. because Puppet produce .nbib file. Select this file and click open. It will import all the files from the PubMed. Now we will see another important feature in the Mendeley, that is Web Importer. Web Importer is an option to download the reference file and PDF file directly from the web. In order to activate this function, you need to install a plugin for your browser. Go to Tools and select Install Web Importer. You will be directed to the Mendeley Web. There you can see Get Web Importer button for different browser. Since my default browser is Chrome, it appears Get Web Importer for Chrome. Click that. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Now you can see the Mendeley Web Importer. Now I'm going to show you how to use Mendeley Web Importer. I have found an article in the web. I'm going to add this article to the Mendeley account. Go to Extension and click Mendeley Web Importer. Once you click the extension, you will be asked to sign in the Mendeley. Click Sign In button and give your username and password for the Mendeley account. Once you sign in, you will see the pop-up window like this. This is the article that you have selected here. You need to select the location where you want to save your article in the Mendeley. I have only one folder in my Mendeley account. Select the test folder and click Add. Now, both reference and PDF are added. If PDF are not available for downloading, it will add only the reference. Now we will check the Mendeley desktop to find this article. If you go to Mendeley desktop, you can't find the article that you have imported because the particular article is stored in the Mendeley web library. So you need to bring the article that is saved in the Mendeley web library. Click the sync button. This is the article that has been added now. When you add research papers or import reference file from different sources, there are chances to add duplicate entries. The Mendeley has option to merge or remove such duplicates. Go to Tools, click Check for Duplicates. Now you can see there are 3 sets of duplicates. If you double click on one set, you can see all the versions there. So let's say I'm clicking on the first set. Here you can see 3 versions. The first version is the proposed merged version. The second version is the duplicate document 1 of 2. The third is the duplicate document 2 of 2. In the first version, if you click the confirm merge, it will delete all other versions and keep only the merged version in the Mendeley. Before you click merge, you can check each versions for the correctness of the information. Let's say I'm clicking the first version. You can see the tick marks in front of each reference information. The tick mark indicate the informations are correct in both versions. Whenever the tick mark is absent, it sees that there is a difference between 2 versions. Let's say in this first version, the issue number is not checked. I will check the second version. Now it sees the issue number is ticked. If you have doubt on this information, you can open this particular document and you can find which one is correct. Likewise, you can check all the relevant details in both documents. Let's say this issue number is correct. So I have checked it. And now go to first version, click confirm merge. Right? Now there are only 2 documents. Let's try another one. Double click on it. You can see 3 versions. We will check the informations for each document. In this document, the year is 2018. The second document, year is 2019. Open the document and check which year is correct. Let's say 2019 is correct. Now the check here is removed. Now I'm going to select the first one and click confirm merge. This is how you can remove all the duplicates and create a single document. Now we will see how to correct the reference detail in Mendeley. When you add the PDF files, the Mendeley will harvest the metadata to create the reference file. Sometimes there may be errors in the reference details. Therefore, I recommend you to check every reference before you add them into your document. When there are errors in the reference detail, you can correct them. If you click a reference, you can see the reference detail in the right side. If you want to cross-check with the original document, you can double click on the reference. It will open the PDF files. You can check the details, type of information source, title, author, and all other details. If there are any errors in the reference detail, you can correct them. I will show you how to correct them. Let's say I will select this article and double click this article, and if you look at the title, there are some missing. So I will show you how to correct this. You can select this title and copy. You can paste it here. And you can check all other details. It will be automatically saved. As I said earlier, you can double click and open the PDF file. While reading the file, you can highlight the text using these highlight options. You can also change the highlighter using this button. You can select any color. You can use this option to paste sticky notes. You can write your message here. You can make the color for sticky notes. Once you add the sticky notes, you can see all the notes by clicking this Notes tab. All the notes will appear here. You can also add general comments here. These highlights and sticky notes will be saved automatically. When you create Mendeley account, you will be provided 2 GB free cloud storage. If you wish, you can upgrade the storage with suitable subscription. If you upload your documents and reference files, you can access your Mendeley library anywhere you go. Click this sync button to update your reference file and document. You need internet connectivity to do this task. The update time depends on the speed of internet and number of documents in your library. Now we will see how to insert the citation to Word document. To insert citation in Word, you need to install a plugin to MS Word. The plugin is available in Mendeley. Before you install it, you need to close all the Office documents if you have open. Go to Tools, select Install MS Word plugin. If you have LibreOffice, you can select Install LibreOffice plugin. I will select Install MS Word plugin. Click OK. Once you install the MS Word plugin, open the Word document and check the Reference tab. There you can see buttons with Mendeley logo. Now type a text and keep your cursor where you want to add the citation. Click Insert Citation. In this dialog box, you can either search author or title, or you can directly click Go to Mendeley. Here, I will search author name. When you type the author name, you will get a list. From the list, you can get a suitable source and click OK. Now the index citation is added. I will show another way. Go to Insert Citation, go to Mendeley and select a source and click Cite. You can also add multiple citation together. Select a source and press Ctrl key in your keyboard and select multiple sources and press Cite button. So far you have seen how to add the citation at the end of the sentence. Sometime you may need to add the citation at the beginning of the sentence. I will show how to add the citation at the beginning. I have added a citation with brackets and type the author name. And click the cursor here. Now the insert citation button become edit citation. Again, click here. Now it shows other option in the dialog box. Check suppress author, press OK. And now author name is suppressed. Now you can continue the sentence. Now I will show you how to insert the reference list. Normally you insert the reference list at the end of the document. Keep the cursor where you want to insert the reference list and click Insert Bibliography. The reference list is added. If you want to change the style, go to Style and select the style that you want. Let's say I'm selecting Vancouver. Both in-text citation and the reference list will be changed according to the guideline of Vancouver. If you are looking for new style that is not available, you can select More Style, which will bring you to the Mendeley. Here you can search or scroll down to check whether the particular style is installed. Let's say I'm going to select National Library of Medicine NLM style. Click the Use this style button and then click Done. Now the style is changed to National Library of Medicine. Sometimes the style that you are looking for is not installed in Mendeley. In such time, click this Get More Style and search. Let's say I'm going to search BMJ. I'm selecting BMJ, supportive and palliative care. First, install this and it is installed. Go to Install Style, select the style that you have installed, click Use this style. Now it is changed to BMJ, supportive and palliative care. You can access your Mendeley Web by signing in at Mendeley homepage. Once you sign in, you can see this window. Here you can see your library and the folders that you have created and all the documents and reference files that you have in Mendeley desktop library. You can also search research papers here by giving up suitable keywords. There are filters for publication year, document type, journal, author, and access type. Let's say if you want to select all the open access article, you can select it here. If you wish to add this article to your Mendeley library, click to add to library. It will be in your Mendeley Web library. If you need it to download it to the Mendeley desktop, go to Mendeley desktop and click sync button. That's all about the Mendeley Reference Manager. Thank you for watching the video.